Oh, hello.
In this video essay, we want to highlight how digital technology has influenced the transformation of tropes in superhero films over time.
Hear the music.
Digital cinema, according to Manovich, has redefined the identity of cinema. Formerly in cinema, images were hand animated. However, there has been an evident shift of technology seen throughout the computer-generated special effects within the Hollywood film industry. Traditional film technology originally focused on photography, what occurred before a camera rather than creating the never-was of special effects. Rather than filming physical reality, it is now possible to design scenes on a computer directly with the aid of different animation tools. Therefore, live action footage is now not the only possible way to construct a film. Special effects are responsible for the idea of the spectacle in blockbusters. Fight scenes are great displays of spectacle's intense atmosphere. In fight scenes today, the seriousness has increased as the characters are now out to kill with explosions and guns, in comparison to the light-hearted, less violent fights that took place in early years where blood and gore were not highlighted to this extent, adding to the edgy atmosphere. Two of the most recognizable ideas that appear in all superhero films are the flying hero and landing in a significant pose. In fact, both flying and landing are the most popular tropes in superhero films. A flying person is someone that is almost always expected. The evolution of how this occurred in film is therefore very interesting.
Superhero landing! Yeah, that's really hard on your knees.
If we look at the Superman films, beginning with the 1978 first Superman, there was no digital filming that is available today.
This year, Superman brings you the gift of flight.
In relation to landings and takeoffs, wire flying rigs were used and Superman was suspended using thin wires for stationary flying shots.
Excuse me.
Today, with digital technology, superheroes fly and land effortlessly with the power of special effects, editing parts in post-production. Due to the lack of digital technology in the past, superheroes in films have been limited in the way that their abilities are displayed. Over the past generations of superhero films, there has been a change in atmosphere and color tone. In older films, the color scheme lacked definition and shadowing, allowing everything to be seen through bright, saturated colors opposed to the grey tones of noir and action films. Nowadays, the noir theme is continued in superhero films as it introduces mystery and questioning of what will happen next. Examples can be seen if we look at the Thor trilogy, where the first two films are much darker, more serious tone, as seen through the bleak colours, while the third film, Ragnarok, uses bright, colourful tones to display the overall lighter atmosphere of the film.
That's what.
Technology has not only influenced the production of these films in more recent times, but also it influences the characters and narratives. For example, the personality of Tony Stark is fully dependent on his abilities to create the specific technology that allows him to be the superhero that he is.
The suit and I are one.
Until next time, this is your friendly neighborhood pool guy singing, I'm never gonna dance again the way I dance with you.